Nicola Sturgeon, the First Minister of Scotland, has resigned. Now, of course, some people say they totally saw it coming, and others said it took them totally by surprise. This video will lay out what happens next, more specifically, how the next leader of the Scottish National Party and how the next First Minister will be chosen. First though, let's get some context. On Wednesday, 15th of February 2023, Nicola Sturgeon announced her resignation as the First Minister of Scotland during a live speech from Bute House in Edinburgh. So this video is not going to analyse how good or bad Nicola Sturgeon was as a First Minister. It's not relevant to the topic and it's for other people to talk about. It's not for me to tell you one way or the other about the accomplishments or scandals, anything like that. And I'm also not going to touch on any possible reason as to why she chose to resign now. Again, it's not relevant. Not that these things aren't important, and there might be some people out there making videos on, this is why she resigned, or top 5 accomplishments, things like that. I'm not going to go into it. It's not relevant to the topic. All I'm going to talk about just now is how the next leader of the Scottish National Party is chosen. So obviously, we need to get ourselves some candidates. Now, as of recording this, the former leader of the party, John Swinney, has ruled himself out as a candidate. He says he's not running again. However, there are many names that are being floated around as potential candidates. So before we go on to how a candidate gets nominated, let's take a look at some of those potential candidates. So the potential candidates out there are people such as Joanna Cherry, Kate Forbes, Angus Robertson, and Humza Yousaf. Now, it is important again to say that nobody has declared themselves as a candidate as of yet. At time of recording, these are only people that have been speculated to run by the media. Candidates have until the 24th of February to get the following. Candidates must be supported by 100 members of the Scottish National Party from a minimum of 20 branches. Now, a branch is the primary level of organisation for the party, each being responsible for the party's activity within a defined geographical area of operation. So what if there's more than one candidate? Obviously, if there's one candidate, that person is straight up the winner. If there's more than one candidate that meets the minimum requirements set out by the Scottish National Party, they go on to a head-to-head vote with the members. So anybody that is a member of the Scottish National Party before the 15th of February 2023 gets to vote for a candidate. You get to vote for one candidate, one member, one candidate. And the candidate with the most votes at the end of it wins. And the announcement will be on the 27th of March 2023. Of course, the winner will not only be the leader of the Scottish National Party, but they will also become the next First Minister of Scotland, taking over from Nicola Sturgeon, who has been in that position for 8 years. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.